Hey Kipsters, hope you're doing well. What I have today for you is how to navigate my classroom because I made some switches, so it's just like an update for that. As you know, we have our announcements. This one pager is muy importante, has all the contact information and office hours for our teachers and a schedule. So let's go to classwork to see what's different. What I went ahead and did is I changed the topics to the date and a quick like what is it or what's here. So when you click that, another thing I did is embedded the YouTube video into your Google Form so you have everything in one place and an optional video on how to go through Google Classroom. Now, when you click the form, it'll have a preview of what you're doing. It'll have a do now, so like if we were in class. You'll go to the next section and it'll have your task of the reading, like your first read, what you gotta do. Then you will have your exit ticket, which is a combination of open responses and multiple choice questions. And that is it. I hope this video is helpful in getting you to navigate the classroom and accessing the material, and I hope you like it. So go ahead and subscribe below, and if you have any questions, you know what to do. Bye.